Welcome to our TLE class. Our topic for today is maintain appropriate kitchen tools, equipment and paraphernalia.
Cleaning. It is the process of removing food and other types of soil from a surface, such as a dish, glass, or cutting board. Cleaning is done with a cleaning agent that removes food, soil, or other substances. The kitchen should be given particular attention on the cleanliness to avoid food contact surfaces as they may become the source of foodborne illnesses. Here are the 4 categories of cleaning agent: detergents, solvent cleaners, acid cleaners, and abrasive cleaners. Detergents. It is a chemical substance that is commonly used as home and commercial cleaning agent. It contains surfactants that help remove the soil or dirt easily. It comes in liquid paste or powder. Cleaners. These are effective cleaning agents for removing burnt grease from the oven tops and other surfaces. These are often called degreasers. Cleaners. These are cleaning agents that contain acid solutions that varies from very mild to very strong. But a reminder, please, be careful in using this as it can irritate the eyes and the skin. Abrasive cleaners. These are rough particles that can wear off dirt, stains, and even hard water deposits. This is available in both powder and liquid form. Scrubbing pads and steel wool are examples of abrasive tools. Be cautious when using abrasive cleaners because overusing these can leave splash marks on some surfaces. These are the photos showing how to use the cleaning agents. To ensure safety after cleaning, the next step should be sanitizing the kitchen tools and premises to kill the bacteria and germs. Sanitizing. It is done using heat, radiation, or chemicals. Heat and chemicals are commonly used as a method for sanitizing in a restaurant. Radiation rarely is. These are the methods in sanitizing. First one, heat. Second one, chemicals. Sanitizing method using steam. Steam is a source of heat which is used in some industries for sterilization purposes. Air can be done for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Hot water is the most common method used in restaurants or any household. Hot water sanitizing takes place in the final. These are how hot water is done in sanitizing. Sanitizing is also achieved through the use of chemical compounds capable of destroying disease-causing bacteria. Common sanitizers are chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium, as shown in the pictures. These are the factors that influence the effectiveness of chemical sanitizers. Concentration. Using beyond the prescribed amount may be ineffective, while applying too much can be hazardous. Temperature. Sanitizers' effectiveness is evident between 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and the immersion time Immerse or soak the cleaned items based on the time given by the manufacturer to destroy the microorganisms. The table shows the approved chemical sanitizers for safety purposes. Take note of the concentration, immersion or contact time, advantage and disadvantages of the following chemical sanitizers. The first chemical is chlorine. The second chemical is iodine. The third chemical is the quaternary ammonium compounds.
To further understand the lesson, here is a short video.
Now that you know how to avoid cross-contamination, let's take a closer look at cleaning and sanitizing in Part 5. Some crucial points in this segment include the difference between cleaning and sanitizing and why it's important, washing dishes by hand and using a commercial dishwasher. Cleaning and sanitizing are not the same. Cleaning uses soap and water to remove dirt and food from surfaces, while sanitizing uses chemicals or heat to kill germs. Remember that surfaces that look clean may still have germs that you cannot see. Sanitizing reduces these germs to safer levels. Food contact surfaces should be washed, rinsed, and sanitized after each use to remove germs that can cause illness. Chemical sanitizers must be mixed following the label's directions, and soap should never be added to sanitizers. Use test strips to make sure the sanitizer is not too strong or too weak. Change the sanitizing solution often because grease, dirt, and food particles make the sanitizer less effective. Store wiping cloths in clean sanitizer. If you're washing dishes by hand, all dishes and food contact surfaces must be washed, rinsed, and sanitized between uses. The procedure for washing dishes by hand is as follows. First, clean and sanitize the sink. Then, scrape leftover food into the garbage. Wash dishes in hot, soapy water in the first sink and rinse dishes with clean, hot water in the second sink. Sanitize by soaking the dishes in the third sink filled with warm water and an approved sanitizer. Always air dry dishes. Towels can breed bacteria if left wet. You may have a mechanical dishwasher that will wash, rinse, and sanitize the dishes. You need to know that the dishes are reaching correct temperatures for sanitization. So temperature gauges and sanitizer levels must be monitored. If you have any questions, speak with your person in charge about proper dishwasher operations.